Nutter up again. You're awake today, man.
Hey, trying to gym.
Well, good morning, Aesthetic Adventures Familia. Welcome to another daily vlog. Chad's actually up before 1 o'clock today, so we can get our day started early, get the gym over with. Since we've came to Bali, I've become addicted to coconuts, so I like to start off the day, a little coconut. These fresh coconuts literally only cost $1, so I like to get them every single day. That's good stuff, can't beat it. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. Boom. You ready to gym?
Been waiting on you for half an hour.
That's unreal. That guy is literally there every single day directing traffic. He's the homie.
Charlie Sheen, but this is London, bro.
No traffic on the shortcut. That's unreal.
Had this on the scene. Heard she trying to stay clean, but she's only 19, sniffing lots of blow. She's got a big dream, but she barely knows it. Why can I never find you? Time after time, you would leave me in the blue.
Made it out to Avenue Fitness. About to get this lift in. Nutter, how we feeling? Ready? What day is this, the 5K?
I lost count.
I think we're like 15 or 16. All right, let's get it. Dude, that's unreal. Nutter's cutting it close. We'll see if he makes it. Okay, so we're starting off this workout with a 1,000-meter row in under 4 minutes. I'm gonna put the workout here up on the screen, bada boom. So if you guys wanna do it, I'll post our time too. I think you guys should be able to do this in under 30 minutes. It's tough as hell. The shittiest part is the squats. Everything else is pretty easy. You can take breaks in between, but try and do it all together. Let's get into it. We're 80% done with the workout. Right now we're doing 400 squats in a row. So right now it just got done with 200. This is the worst part of the workout, but as soon as this is done, we just gotta do a 500-meter row. We're done for the day, and we can go off and get some breakfast.
Just finished up a great workout. 1,000-meter row, 100 sit-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats, 500-meter row, and a 5K. Feeling incredible. Here at the Savage Kitchen, gonna get some Savage food. Ooh. Got a little vegan lunch, some moussaka, sweet potatoes,
Coconut chicken and some sauteed greens. It's looking good.
We had this the other day, it was incredible, so we came back.
When I step into the club, baby, I know where you are. Standing in front of the bar, waiting to fill up my cup. All lights are getting on.
Chad's been saying how today he got from the bottom floor to the top floor balcony when he lost his keys.
Brandon and Ben don't believe me.
I don't believe.
didn't lose my keys. I just kind of did it for fun.
Again, I just don't think.
Yeah, we don't believe him.
Chad's like 5'4". That looks to be about like 5'9". Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, see, yeah, I was gonna say, there's no way.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that's kind of soft. It's
That
not.
was the only part I was worried about.
Yeah, it's not sick anymore. See,
There we
what
go.
I thought was.
Still gonna make it?
Yeah, it's just not as sick anymore.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah, if you could do it again, but like climb that bigger wall, that'd be cool.
So we're headed off to the beach. It's about 5:30. Gonna get a little coconut sunset action.
Leading our way to the truck. We show them until it's enough, but it will never be enough.
Made it to the beach. That's a great sign. Look at that. We made it down to our local beach. This place is about 5-ish minutes away from our house. They have the best corn on the cob, and it's right on the beach. I'm gonna go get some, and Chad's gonna order us
Some coconuts.
Can't beat it. Look at this view. This is our setup right here. They're right there. That's kind of annoying. It's kind of blocking us. He's got the setup. He's got some right there. Okay. Thank you. It's good stuff.
You a freaky little thing, got me up all night. 100 in the room, you the only one I like. Stuck like glue all over my mind. Girl, you like a drug, I'm at it no time high off you. When I get home drunk, only wanna call you. Driving in the drop top sky.
Just finished up getting a little corn and coconut action at the shack. Still working on a few client videos. Our plan is to go get some food right now, go home, grind all night, and then tomorrow we have a really, really cool video in store.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop this video a like, sub if you haven't. And, excuse me, try to film an outro. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Please drop a comment. Let us know what you're liking about the vlog so far. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Rolling round, yeah. I just need to get away, no slow